Hello everyone, this is Ronnie Pacheco from the VIP team for Spring 2019. This user story video is for VIP-207. As an admin, I would like to edit cells in the tables without having to double click them. First of all, this is my information. The product owner as well as the mentor for this project is Dr. Masood Sajadi. This is information as well. And let's just go back to the website. So if we go here to our local host, now we have some users, project maintenance, this semester course maintenance, and as I mentioned before, for our user story, we used to have to double click every time. Now if we click once, we make changes easily, and then it just goes to the next one as soon as you press enter or you go out. I don't know, we put 18 here, and then we go to project maintenance. We can change the name of the description. For example, 21, I don't know, VIP3. And then if we go to semesters, we can make some changes from here, as well as course maintenance. This could be English 4, sorry, ENC, I don't know, ENS. You could change. So as you can see, these can be activated by just clicking on them. Some of them. Hello everyone, this is Ronnie Pacheco from the VIP team for Spring 2019. This video is for user story VIP 207. As an admin, I would like to edit cells in tables without having to double click on them. So first of all, as I mentioned before, this is my information. I'm Ronnie Pacheco, this is my information, and the mentor and the product owner for this project is Dr. Masood Sajadi. So let's just get into the website. Let's just start here. Before we had these properties that would not let us edit the grid from our project without double clicking them. So for us to be able to get into edit mode, we will have to double click every single time. So as you can see, I only click once and I can make changes. So let's just say Ronnie Pacheco. I don't know. It's just Ronnie Patch. And then his email, my email is 02. And now this functionality is available for everything. So this is let's see, just VIP testing. You see, we can change everything here. Some of the fields are set not to be edited. For example, the ID of the project, because that would really mess around with the database. But some things just like description, as well as this was showed on another. The changes on the semester maintenance were showed on another user story. Course maintenance, let's see, this is wrong. Maybe there's a mistype and we want to do ENC, for example. And as well as skills, this was part of another story, but I changed also this from a true false drop down into check marks now. So if we go there, maybe if you don't believe that this is changed, as we can see, these are all confirmation messages that we have on the website that changes were done, as well as if we go to our local host database, give it a second to load. And what if we go to, say, skills, say, wait a second, our skills are all false up to Bootstrap. We have CSS false, Web Dev false, Angular, Java, and Bootstrap is true, and everything after that is true. Let's just check out some of the changes for the users. So let's just go to users. As you can see, the second one was me. Now my name is Ronnie Patch, and my email is O2 or Patch02. So as I mentioned before, let's go here. This is my information in case someone needs to reach out to me, as well as the one for our PO and the mentor for this project. Thank you for watching.